welcome back. Happy Halloween again. Yes, today is actually Halloween. I am in the spirit. I have my black shirt on. I do have my little hat on again. Even did like an orange and black eye look and I did the pumpkin pie Jeffrey Lippy. So, but yes, I did go ahead and put up my fall or Thanksgiving background. So no more Halloween background, but that's okay. But I do have, as you can see from the title down below, the October 2019 Bombay and Cedar. So we are going to get into this in just a moment. I'm just going to briefly go over what Bombay and Cedar is if this is your first time seeing me unbox this. So first, again, thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. And if you're new, my name is Nikki. Please go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. We have lots of fun here. And guys, don't forget, we do have quite a few active giveaways going. They will be linked below, so definitely enter if you have not already. But Bombay and Cedar is a monthly subscription. It is wellness. It's like a wellness lifestyle subscription. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. They do have a couple different plans. They have the plan that I have here, which is the premium box. That is $49.95 plus shipping. They do also have a mini box that is $29.95 plus shipping. With the premium, you're going to get 8 to 10 products. They'll be full and deluxe size. And with the mini, you'll get 5 to 7 full and deluxe size products. And everything is going to be vegan, cruelty-free. It's aromatherapy. You can go ahead and prepay for 3, 6, or 12 months, and that will bring the price of your box down just a little bit. But so to wrap it all up, it's an aromatherapy, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle subscription featuring vegan and cruelty-free, full and deluxe size products curated for the discerning woman who lives life inspired. So, like I said, there will be a link down below, so definitely check that out. And let's get in here and see what we got for the month of October. If I have a promo code, I honestly don't remember. If I do, it will be down below as well. So let's go ahead and get this open. Oh, I just heard something. Did y'all hear that? Okay, so when we open it, it's all nice, bright and yellow, and it says hello. And we have our little card. We will go over this in just a minute, and then we see the paper here. All right, so October 2019, the theme is peaceful. All right. You'll never find peace of mind until you listen to your heart, George Michael. Your peace depends on it. Peace can mean many different things to many different people. What is it that invokes that safe place for you? Does the word peace mean anything to you? If so, what is it? We encourage you to explore the possibility of inner peace by taking time to see what it is that sparks that feeling of calm in you. We hope this month's box helps you do that. And always enjoy that. And then signed Team Bombay and Cedar. All right, so then we go here and it tells us everything that is in our box. It does give us pricing, and it will tell us also what is in the premium, what is in the mini, so you kind of get an idea if this is something you're interested in, and maybe you don't want to pay the premium box price, but maybe the mini, you kind of get an idea, like I said, of what could be in both boxes. So let's go ahead and take off this sticker. And we are going to get into the box. All right, so when we pull it up, this is what we see. We've got some squigglies. So we will move those out of the way. I actually like those squigglies better than some of the others that are in different boxes. Those aren't making quite of a mess. So here we see more of an idea. So let's get started. All right, so it looks like we have a couple of products that are going to be in both boxes. And then it actually looks like there's products that are only available for the mini, which is interesting. And then we have products that are only available in the premium. All right, so we are just gonna start here with, they always put some sort of little snack treat. And this is the Lesser Evil. It's a Sinful Taste Clean Snacks organic popcorn with butter flavored coconut oil and Himalayan salt. So Himalayan Gold. This 100% guilt-free popcorn made with a blend of organic coconut oil and botanical extracts, $2.49. Like I said, they always put some kind of yummy treat in there, so that is nice. And then we have, and that would be in the mini, and then this would be in the mini. I'm actually really excited about this. This, let me get it out of this bag. This is a Cleanse It 2-in-1 facial brush by Almost Famous. Dual action cleansing brush for all skin types with gentle bristles on one side and silicone pad on the other. The ultimate cleaning tool that will reveal brighter skin at $20. So again, this would also be in both boxes. I am so excited to use this, seriously. I've been wanting one of these, and for some reason I'm like, no, I'll just wait. I'll wait. I'm glad I waited. Let's get this open. Oh, it's even kind of holographic outside of the box, but here you've got the really soft. Oh, they're like super dense too to scrub. And then you've got the silicone side here. So you can really get in there and wash your face really, really good. I like that a lot. All right. And then let's see. There's so much in here. Wow. Okay. This box is always packed. So we'll go over the essential oils because this is something, again, that would be in both boxes. So look at the bag. It's so cute. It's got little sailboats. All right. So we have 2 different essential oils, which is the case every month. They do give you the little cards that kind of go over each essential oil and tell you what you can use them for and things like that. So let's see what we've got. All right, we have a Soothing Tangerine. And again, these are 100% pure essential oils. And then we have a Clary Sage. It says 3% in jojoba essential oil. So let's see here what it says. The Clary Sage, 3% in jojoba essential oil. It says, reduces convulsions, relieves spasms, prevents bacterial infections, rich in antioxidants, reduces flatulence, regulates menstruation, relieves depression, lowers blood pressure, lowers inflammation, and promotes digestion. It says it blends well with lemon, lime, orange, tangerine, which we got, pine, juniper, geranium, sandalwood, jasmine, and frankincense. That's awesome. And then the tangerine essential oil prevents sepsis, purifies blood, soothes inflammation, boosts digestion, relieves spasms, acts as tonic, helps maintain moisture balance in the skin. Blends well with bergamot, cinnamon, clary sage, clove, frankincense, lavender, nutmeg, and neroli. So, tangerine, I know I probably will really love because I love like a sweet orange essential oil. And both of these you can put a few drops, it says, into a diffuser. So that is good to know as well. I'll put them back here in this bag and put the cards back in there. And the Clary Sage is a $14 value and the Tangerine is a $10 value. And like I said, that would have been in both boxes. So far, everything I've shown you would have been in both boxes. Now, apparently available in the mini only, so I didn't get this in the premium, would have been an art therapy coloring kit by Sam Lemon. The kit includes 10 colored pencils and 50 illustrated cards. Lift your mood and focus your mind, and that would have been $9.95. So let me take a look here. All right, and then another item that would have been in both boxes This is Infusion Jewelry Piece by Wanderlust & Co. The Infusion collection is inspired by the imagination of architectural design and precision. Constructed with stainless steel and coated with 18 karat gold or rhodium, this sleek staple will elevate your look. And it's a value of $49 to $59. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it's a bracelet. Did I say necklace? It's a bracelet. Nickel-free toggle bracelet for dreamers and lovers. So there's that. I like how the back has you just put it in there. So there's that bracelet. That is definitely unique, and I really think that the design of that is not something you see a lot. So I really like it. All right, so that I do believe is everything that would have been in the mini box. So now we're getting into products for the premium. And let's see, it says one of the following below is included in the premium box. So here's where we would have some variation, and you could have gotten a mini Buddha board, a flow book by Irene Smith and Astrid Vanderhulst, or a terracotta grow kit by Modern Sprout. And I got the flow book by Irene Smith and Astrid Vanderhulst. It says gorgeous interactive books with hidden treasures. Choice of the big book of less or a book that takes its time. And it's $27.50, and I got the book that takes its time. Goodness gracious, that's a big old book. And it, let's see. You can write your name in it. It's what belongs to. It's got like the joy of one thing at a time. I was wondering, it's got like little things in here, and this is literally like a little notebook inside the book. Note cards for beautiful moments jar. So you can literally take these out. They're perforated, and you can put them in a beautiful moments jar. Let's see what else, because it's got, here's some more of those for the beautiful moments. I think this is so cool, y'all. This is like not something you see a lot. And this is like, what are your values? And then what is this? Is this another, what is, this is like a fold out. I think it helps you on a journey. Oh, there's even some recipes in here. Y'all, this is awesome. Oh, there's little cards that you could like, oh, I love that. Almost like little postcards. And then you got like that. I guess you could maybe use it for scrapbooking or something. 30-day notebook, mini course in mindful analysis, 30 days of writing and thinking, and then it literally gives you the little notebook. Y'all, this is amazing. Poetry pictures. Open the envelope to discover 5 sheets of poetry pictures. So there's sheets of pictures in there. This is just, that's so neat. And then what is this? Using the cards of this envelope, write thoughts and insights you gained while reading this book. And then there's cards in there. Y'all, this is awesome. I love that. That is amazing. All right, so like I said, that would be $27.50. And then we have, again, now the rest, like this and the rest of the products are only in the premium. This next product, Tip Off by Alley-Oop. These liquid-filled cotton swabs tackle your makeup mishaps on the go. Snap the tip to release the liquid, then wipe off smudges and flakes. $8. That is so awesome. It says, get it, we got you. Cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, TSA approved. It says, snap swab at blue stripe to release makeup remover into opposite end. Fill swab and apply to wipe away the day. No more raccoon eyes. Y'all, that is awesome. So you literally just would take one of these and snap it there at the blue line. It looks kind of like a Q-tip. The other end will fill up, and you can touch up on the go. I think that is amazing. That's going in my purse. And again, that's $8. And then Luxury Skincare by Terramere. I believe I'm saying that correctly. I don't know. And it says, would have been the choice of an dual action bamboo acai scrub, anti-aging exfoliant remover, or oat and rose hip hydration balm mask. So, I got the dual action bamboo acai scrub. So I'm actually really glad. I love scrubs. Packaging is adorable. It's vegan, cruelty free. $84. What? The mask would have been $88. So this is $84. Oh my mercy. And that's a big old box for this. This must do wonders to be $84. Let's see. It does have a safety seal. It smells good. It's like blah, 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 blah. But it almost has like a spice smell. What is in this? What all is in here? Hibiscus, aqua, obviously, aloe, some kind of root extract that I cannot pronounce, a bark extract. It's got a lot of like organic stuff, wild geranium, hibiscus, cranberry fibers, organic dandelion, wild geranium, Oregon grape, vitamin E, petite grain essential oil, tangerine essential oil. Like it doesn't smell bad. It actually smells good, but it almost has like this kick of spice to it. But I'm definitely excited to use this. So I'm all about anti-aging. So yay. All right. And then we have one final product, and that is, let me move this. It says linen or cotton apron by Now Designs. Whether you're a chef, artist, or barista, this carefully crafted apron is great for use in the kitchen, studio, or workshop. Available in several styles. And let's see, I got, it's tied. I got this one. So it's like it's a half apron to go around your waist. Apron towel. And this is a linen towel. It has cotton ties. So this would be $20. It's 20 by 30 inches. Tie on your favorite linen towel. So you can see there, it's just like a apron like that, and it does have the cotton ties. And this actually came at a great time because with Thanksgiving and stuff coming up, cooking, and I actually don't have an apron, and I could see myself using this if I'm like gonna be in the kitchen like really cooking more than like a full apron. I would definitely be more prone to reach for one like this. So I think that is fantastic. So that was the October 2019 Bombay and Cedar. What are your thoughts? Let me know down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful and safe Halloween. Have fun trick-or-treating. I am definitely going to enjoy going out with Christopher tonight. I have a little mask I'll be wearing, and he's gonna be like a creepy clown. The cute costume days are over. Anyway, again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget about those giveaways. I hope you guys have a fantastic evening, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.